So, the topic that we are going to cover today is consumer equilibrium in case of two commodities or several commodities. If consumer is uh, buying two or more commodities in given income, so how he will strike the equilibrium. In case of one commodity, he will strike the equilibrium when the marginal utility of x upon price of x is equal to marginal utility per rupees expected by the customer is equal. Same way, if he will strike the equilibrium in case of commodity y, same way marginal utility of y upon price of y is equal to marginal utility per rupees expected by the customer. Means this one for first equation for the x commodity, and for the y commodity is the second equation, and relating these two equations we came to know that ki consumer will be at the point of equilibrium when marginal utility of x upon price of x is equal to marginal utility of y upon of price of y is equal to marginal utility marginal utility per rupees expected by the customer is equal. Okay, so now take the example. First example, here marginal utility of x is 20, price is 4, price of that commodity is 4, marginal utility of y is 25 and price of y commodity is 5. So if the consumer in the state of equilibrium in 5, if he is purchasing, price is 5, so consumer will struck the equilibrium when this marginal utility of x is equal to marginal utility of y. So we substitute it. Marginal utility of x is 20 here upon price here is 4 is equal to 25 upon 5. Cut it, it will come equal to 5. Means the consumer is in state of equilibrium. Okay, now let us clear it with this schedule. The schedule here it is given ki the consumer is having these units of commodities, means consumption is here when marginal utility of x is 17 when he is consuming the one commodity, marginal utility of x is 5 when he is consuming the 6 commodity. So same way marginal utility of y is 26 when he is consuming one commodity, marginal utility of consumer is 23 when he is having the two commodity, marginal utility is 16 when he is having the 4 commodity, so on. So when at what point he will be at the point of equilibrium, the consumer will strike the equilibrium when this condition is fulfilled. Here price which is assumed, here price is px upon py is equal to rupees 1. Here rupees 1 per unit is given. Okay, so the condition will become marginal utility of x is equal to marginal utility of y. So at what point they will strike? Here the consumer will strike the equilibrium at the point q. Q is the point where the maximum utility of x, where he is consuming the 4 commodities of x and 6 commodities of y, these two lines, marginal utilities lines are intersecting. Marginal utility of x and marginal utility of y line is intersecting at the O point, and this point is known as point of equilibrium. Here the consumer is in the state of equilibrium. Okay, so this way we know that the consumer will strike his equilibrium when he is in state of equimarginal utility, and this will occur when the last rupee spent by him yields equal marginal utility, whether he spent it on good X or good Y. Okay, so this is only known as the law of equimarginal utility. So I think this is now clear. Once again, what is equimarginal utility? Law of utility, that states that consumer strikes its equilibrium when the last rupee spent by him gives him equal marginal utility, whether he spends it on good X or good Y.